LibreOffice Calc can do just about everything that Excel can do for spreadsheets. Let's take a look. So covering over the basics, right when you fire up Calc, it's going to look and feel a lot like Microsoft Excel, except it's not, although many things are going to function just the same. Now, when I right-click on a column, I have options to insert columns before or after, which is a nice feature, or to remove them. Same thing with rows. Basic controls that allow me to insert rows or columns as I need to. Making columns is very much the same procedure of inputting headers if I want to. Don't have to, but you can. And then you start to fill in some of the information below. So filtering is another common thing. If you're unfamiliar, it's a way of sorting the information and picking out the parts that I want. So I'm going to select my columns and go to Data, Auto Filter. And it may get a warning, that's okay. I want to use the first line as a header. And you can see how it puts these drop arrows on. And what that'll do is it'll give me the ability to filter on select values. I can either do them all, or if I have multiple rows for Joe or for Nate, I can easily pick those out. Another common use case in spreadsheets are the use of formulas. So if I were to do a very common one, you always start a formula, whether it's in Excel or here in Calc, with the equal sign, and then you start using the function name. Now, it does try to help you out here, which is also very similar. They're all here. These are the common ones. Sum is a very, very, very common one. I'm just putting numbers together, where I can do math inside of parentheses, equal sum of that, and it will do the math for me. Same thing where I can put a series of numbers, and I could do the same thing, equal sum, and I can even just drag over the ones that I want and press enter, and it will total that out for me. Very quick and easy, and very, very similar again to Excel, except that this is an open source alternative that is free. The other feature that I find really useful is if I need to copy a row. I'm going to copy this one. I can select it by the number, clicking the number, right click and select copy. You can see how it's selected all of that. And I'm going to come down and I want to paste that here. Now, in Excel, by this point, it would have deselected and it would no longer commit that to the keyboard. However, here in Calc, I still have it and may continue to use it, even moving around multiple locations and doing all kinds of different things. It will not purge that until I stop it. Now I can hit the escape key, or I can just copy something else, whichever comes first, deselect. But it's a very easy and convenient way to keep moving and doesn't get in your way so much when you're trying to do row copying like this. Once again, the tool is called Calc. It's part of the LibreOffice suite, available for free. It is an open source tool. Go and check it out.